Hello, sir.
Hello, Deepti.
Hello, sir.
Hello. I'm audible.
Sir, your voice is so slow.
Now it is audible or not? Just tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you settle your camera, please?
What?
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
Deepti. Okay, Deepti. It is your first mock. I think it is your first mock.
Yes.
So start your first mock with your briefly introduction.
Okay, sir. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to introduce for myself. Myself, Deepti Jadhav. I'm from Pune, and I'm completed my master in science, and I have technologies means technical skills of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
Okay, Deepti. Just tell me how much do you give rating yourself in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript?
Actually, it is my first, and
Just tell me out of 5.
out of 5 now, we rating the HTML 3 and CSS also 3, but now JS 2.8.
Okay. Okay, Deepti. Just start. Just starting your interview.
Yes, sir.
Start with what is HTML?
HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is a structure of means web page of structure of web page, means building of code.
Okay. Can you just differentiate between HTML and HTML5?
Yes, sir. HTML5 is a new version of the HTML, that is HTML5, and it gives a means extra internet technologies, that is in HTML5 we can get video and audio internet, but in HTML we cannot give the internet these activities audio and video.
Okay. What are the types of selectors in HTML?
There are selectors which are mainly depends on id, class, attribute, style, and it is of 4 type basic selectors. Second one com- compare, compare comparison selector. Third one is attribute selector and pseudo selector.
Just check it afterwards. It is not correct at well. Okay. Just
Please
give
repeat
me.
your question.
Okay, let it be. What is CSS?
CSS is a cascading style sheet. We can a page is to create how to look, and it is uh, applied to a CSS file. Means it is a web page interactive, representable, and interactive.
What is box model?
Box model depends on 4 types. That is uh, content, padding, border, and margin.
Just differentiate between inline and block elements.
Inline and block element. Block elements which starts the new line, and inline element it starts in same line. And block element margin we can apply for apply all direction, means 4 direction, and inline element only margin apply left and right. And also width we can means block element width apply its parent means 100%, and inline element it's give the value of its content. And in block element width and height we can apply, but inline element we cannot apply width and height.
Can you just tell me what is specificity and which
Spec-
selector has the high specificity?
Specificity is the set of rules of the means selectors of the CSS which are we get uh, style we get apply, that is ID selector is the highest specificity means it is 100.
Okay, Dipti, just go through with differentiate pseudo elements and pseudo class.
Pseudo element or pseudo class means pseudo class which we apply means over and active, and a pseudo element we and it is represent a single colon, and pseudo element it is a double colon before and after.
Okay, let it be. Let's start your JavaScript. Just
Okay,
go,
sir.
just go through with what is JavaScript.
JavaScript is means cross platform and object oriented language. It interact with object means web pages, and we can create multiple means button clip, complex animations, and pop up event we can apply on it.
Okay, just tell
Means it
me
is a functionality we can apply to the JavaScript.
JavaScript is interpreted language or compiler language.
I think it is interpreted language scripting.
Can you just define it?
I don't know about that, but
Okay, just tell me what is function.
it is a block of code which is means which is a block of code. We get the specific, we perform the specific task.
Can you just differentiate between object and array?
uh, Array is the we can store the multiple data in the form of index number, and object is a means object is a key value pair.
Just tell me what are the data types of JavaScript.
Data types of JavaScript, there are two types of JavaScript types. It is a primitive or non-primitive.
Just give me the difference between primitive and non-primitive.
Primitive data types means it holds the value, and non-primitive means hold the references, and it is an example of and it in non-primitive we can store a single value, but sorry, in a primitive data types we can store a single value, but in non-primitive data we can store multiple values. For in a non-primitive, for example, string, boolean, number, undefined, null. But null is a object to give a false value of a JavaScript, and non-primitive examples are object, array, function.
Just differentiate between not defined and undefined.
एक मिनिट सर, मी पाणी पिते. हॅलो.
Yeah, go through with differentiate between undefined and not defined.
Undefined means we declare the declaration but not assign the values. Not assigned, it is undefined. But not defined, we cannot declare, but it is a call. Then it is gives a not defined means, for example, undefined means I'm declaring the let x is equal to, or not assigning, then it result gives us undefined. And when we cannot declare uh, a variable, but we can call, then it is gives a not defined. That is reference error. And undefined is a primitive data type, and not defined is a reference error.
Okay, just tell me what is variable.
We can store the data. It is called as the variable, and variable cannot create a block scope.
What is scope?
Availability and accessibility of any declaration, it is called as the scope.
Just differentiate between function scope and global scope.
Global scope means we declare the declaration all over the page, it is called as the global scope. But function scope is we declare the declaration in the scope, in the function, then it is called as the function scope.
Okay. What are the type of variables?
Type of variables let constant.
Just go through with let, var, and const. Define it.
Means differentiate, so
No, no, just define it particularly.
where is means cannot create the block scope, means we can reassign and redeclare, it is possible in a variable. But in let we can create a block scope, but it is a reassign is possible, but redeclaration is not possible. And constant variable is a uh, create a block scope, but we cannot reassign and redeclare in the same scope.
Okay, Dipti, just tell me what is coercion.
Coercion is the conversion of two data types of the JS.
And just tell me what is the type of null.
What is type of null? Object. It is a false value of the JavaScript.
Okay. Okay, just tell me what is factory function, constructor function.
I'm not recall it, sir. Sorry.
What is array methods?
Array methods is a split.
What are the array methods? Just go with any five or any three.
Means we converting the array.
What are the
Uh,
string methods?
Replace. Sorry. Join. Join and to string
And what join returns?
with user string.
Okay, Dipti, just share your screen, please.
It is visible, sir. Hello.
It is visible. Just go with Visual Studio. I'm not unable to see Visual Studio. Okay. Just see your. Yes, okay. Okay, just see the chat section and copy it.
एक मिनट सर.
I have sent a code to you. Just copy it in chat section. Create an JS file first of all.
First of all, we create HTML. Yes, sir. Hello.
Okay, just print Shenwon in the console. Shenwon. At line number 19, it is there.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Show me the output.
Sir, 1 minute. Okay, sir.
Okay, just change in console. I want Shane Warne into Rohit Sharma.
Want to change of
Shane Warne into Rohit Sharma.
Rohit Sharma.
Okay, Dipti, just
Okay,
do
sir.
it afterwards.
Okay, sir.
Just go through with higher order functions. What are higher order functions?
Higher order function, which is a function we accept another function as an argument.
And what are the types of higher order functions?
Higher order function types is for each map, filter, reduce, for in, for of, etc.
What is find method?
Find a method is also find and find index method also higher order function. We can it gives a object, means we find a specific object in that our mentioning of array. Then we choose a we select a find method. Suppose in this array we get a name of Jacqueline Callis, then we will apply on that name, then it gives a object of that. It cannot give the array.
Just check it afterwards. Just differentiate between find and
Find and filter.
filter.
uh, it is major difference in that in find we get object, and in filter we get a array. in the form of means object give in the form of array in filter, means it returns array, and find it returns object.
Clear it after the interview. Okay.
Yes sir, major difference is
Let it be. Just take in random numbers of array. Take it random numbers.
nums array sir.
Yeah.
Okay sir.
So here it is your task is that just extract even numbers and add it. Extract even numbers and add it. Only even numbers.
Polygon sir.
Even number and add it.
Add.
Add the even numbers. At line number 54, you have got even numbers, no? Just add it.
Yes sir.
Yeah, this is that. 10, 12, 8, 20. Give me the sum of these numbers.
is okay, sir.
This is not to double layer. Just add it means just go with me. Here it is what the 10, 8 and 20. 10 plus 20, 30. 30 and 8, 38. In that way I want the answer. And just
Okay.
sum of the only even numbers. We are doing double of that. Okay, Diti, just do it afterwards.
Okay, sir.
Can you go through with Fizzbuzz?
What, sir?
Fizzbuzz. Fizzbuzz.
No, sir.
Didn't know
Hello?
about didn't know about Fizzbuzz DSA.
Fizz. What is the pronunciation?
Fizzbuzz.
No, sir.
Just prime numbers.
Okay.
Okay. Just check it out. 28 is prime number or not.
I'm not recall it, sir.
Okay.
What are you telling?
Uh, just go with through that. 28 number or not. 28 is prime number or not. Write a function. Hello. Hello, Diti.
Yes, sir.
Can you just respond it?
No, sir.
Prime number. Do you know prime numbers?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just print 1 to 100 prime numbers.
Means it gives a array.
Just extract prime numbers from 1 to 100. You have two options. Just print 1 to 100 prime numbers, or just clarify that 28 is prime number or not. You can do any one of them.
Means by using a for loop.
Yeah, you can with a predefined method or anything. You can do it.
I didn't know, but I will try. But for loop and for each it's give an array.
You can take anything. Okay, do it afterwards. Okay, Deepti. I have done from my side.
Okay, sir.
I have done from my side. Nice to meet you.
Thank you, sir. I'm also nice to meet.
Okay, stop your screen.
Okay, sir. It is done, sir.
Yeah, it is done. You may leave now.
Okay, sir. Have a good day.
Same to you.